In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the same character in Leonardo AI Desktop. If you've already created an image in Leonardo AI and you want to reuse that same character in a new generation, the process is pretty simple once you know where to look. We'll start by opening the Leonardo AI app. From the main interface, click on Image to enter the image generation workspace. Once you're there, click on the image tile with the plus icon. This opens the area where you can add a reference, which is important because that previous image will help Leonardo keep your character more consistent in the next result. Next, click on Image Reference. This tells the platform that you want to guide the new generation using an existing image. After that, click on Your Generations. This is where all of your previously created images are stored, so if you've made the character before, you should be able to find it here. Browse through your earlier results, then click on the image you want to use. Once the correct image is selected, click Confirm to apply it as your reference. Now you're ready to build the new image. Type in your prompt describing what you want the character to do or how you want the scene to look. Try to keep your prompt clear and specific so the reference image and the text prompt work well together. Then choose a model, followed by a style that matches the kind of output you want. Next, choose your image dimensions. This affects the shape and framing of the final result, so pick the option that best fits your project. After that, select the number of generations you want Leonardo to create. More generations can give you more options to choose from. When everything looks right, click Generate. Leonardo AI will now create new images using your previous character as the reference, helping you keep that same look across different scenes.